Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. We are halfway through the first week of 2023 and we're already off to an interesting start with the markets taking quite the turn yesterday. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. For the first time in what feels like weeks, we actually have an earnings report to look at, and we'll see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to download the TipRanks mobile app if you haven't done so already, so you can access your favorite investment research tools on the go. Links will be in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are currently in the green this morning as investors wait to hear the minutes from the Fed's December meeting later this afternoon. Investors will be listening for any clue as to when the Fed may stop raising rates. Right now, Dow futures are up 0.25%, S&P 500 futures up 0.33%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.55%. Amazon has set up an $8 billion unsecured loan for general corporate purposes. In a statement from Amazon, they said that given the uncertain macroeconomic environment over the last few months, we have used different financing options to support capital expenditures, debt repayments, acquisitions, and working capital needs. At their last quarter, they reported holding about $35 billion in cash and having long-term debt of about $59 billion. Analysts currently rate the Amazon stock a strong buy with an average upside of 61%. Rivian Automotive produced about 10,000 vehicles for their fourth quarter, bringing them short of their full-year goal. For the full year 2022, they manufactured 24,337 vehicles, falling short of their guidance of 25,000 units. The company delivered 8,054 vehicles in the fourth quarter, bringing their total deliveries for the year just above 20,000. Analysts currently rate the Rivian stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 142%. Shares of Roivant Sciences are on the rise this morning after they reported positive mid-stage data for their ulcerative colitis therapy. They said that their Phase 2b trial generated statistically significant and clinically meaningful efficacy results at each dose level, and that their therapy was found to be safe and well tolerated across all doses and patient groups. The Roivant stock is currently rated a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of 45%. Shares of Victoria's Secret fell yesterday but are rebounding slightly in the pre-market after they announced the departure of their brand CEO. In an SEC filing on Tuesday, which largely concerned the closing of their previously announced acquisition of Adore Me, Amy Hawk, their current CEO of the Pink and Victoria's Secret brand, handed in her notice 1 week ago. Martin Waters, who is the current CEO of the company, will also assume the responsibilities of brand CEO. The Victoria's Secret stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 42%. And shares of Salesforce are actually on the rise this morning after they announced plans for a restructuring that includes laying off 10% of their workforce. In a letter to employees, their co-CEO wrote that as our revenue accelerated through the pandemic, we hired too many people leading into this economic downturn we're now facing, and I take responsibility for that. Part of the plan also includes CRM exiting real estate and reducing office space in some markets. Analysts currently rate the stock a strong buy with an average upside of 46%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Now, there's not much on the calendar for today. Tomorrow on Thursday, we do see a few more names reporting, but last night in the after hours, we did hear from Smart Global Holdings. They came in ahead of analyst expectations on earnings and revenue. For their first quarter, they reported earnings per share of 79 cents, coming in 22 cents ahead of analyst expectations. While their revenue did fall about 1% year over year, coming in at $465.48 million, it still beat analyst expectations by over $19 million. Analysts currently rate the Smart Global Holdings stock a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of 55%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Alibaba after their related Ant Group got approval from Chinese regulators to expand their registered capital. Trading under the ticker BABA, the stock is currently up 6.54%. They're followed by Zylab under ZLAB up 6.36% and KE Holdings under BEKE up 6.35%. And our biggest losers this morning appear to be General Electric, but that is because they have now spun off their healthcare unit. Trading under the ticker GE, the stock appears to be down 21%. They're followed by TORM under TRMD, down about 5.8%, and Next Tier Oilfield Solutions under NEX, down 4.8%. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.